my name is Phil Jackson. Students, do you guys want to come to Volcano Land and make a volcano erupt? Over here is
nectarine.
Okay. Here in my lab, we're gonna make a volcano erupt. You may do this. 2 scoops of this, right here.
Of baking soda.
2 scoops of baking soda.
Baking soda. We got baking soda.
You already have this.
Put it in the volcano. 1.
You're another one.
2. Warm water. Okay. Red dye.
Red dye.
And you can't forget the clay.
This awesome, amazing clay.
Which makes the volcano. And
Which makes the
then
volcano.
the vinegar. More water.
Yeah.
And then the vinegar.